Today we'll be learning about how to install Python. But before I show you how to install Python, you to like, share this video and subscribe. So first open your browser, then you type Pycharm, then you click on download Pycharm. When you click on download Pycharm, you click on download. When you click on download, the download icon will pop up at where my cursor is. Then the Pycharm will start downloading. Then you minimize your screen. You go to the download folder. When you go to the download folder, then you download Pycharm. I have already downloaded Pycharm. So let me show you the interface. So this is how it will start to open. This is how the interface will look like. Wait a minute. Yes, so this is how the interface will look like when open Python. When you open Python, it takes time, so be patient for it to open. So that's it. So next time we'll learn about how to do programming on Python. So stay tuned.